Welcome to this video on understanding cloud computing and storage. We will explore the architecture, services, and mechanisms powering the modern digital world. Let's start by defining the foundational concepts of the cloud beyond the common metaphor. Cloud computing is the on-demand delivery of IT resources, focusing on processing power, memory, and application logic. Cloud storage focuses on data persistence, accessibility, and high-durability redundancy across multiple locations. Virtualization is the core technology of the cloud. A hypervisor splits physical hardware into multiple virtual machines, enabling efficient resource sharing and rapid scalability without needing new physical servers. Cloud providers maintain massive clusters of servers in availability zones and regions worldwide, connected by a global backbone of high-speed fiber optic networks, ensuring low latency. Inside data centers, thousands of servers, switches, and cooling systems operate with 99.99% uptime. They use redundant power supplies and biometric security to keep applications and storage available 24/7. Cloud service models include IaaS, or Infrastructure as a Service, PaaS, or Platform as a Service, and SaaS, or Software as a Service. Each offers varying levels of management responsibility. Cloud storage architectures are split into object storage for data with rich metadata, block storage for fast access databases and virtual machine disks, and file storage for hierarchical structures. Looking at the market share overview, Amazon AWS currently leads, followed by Microsoft Azure and Google Cloud, with others making up the remainder of the market. The cloud evolved from the time-sharing concepts of the 1960s to the modern era launched by Amazon in 2006. Hybrid adoption followed in 2011, and today, AI and edge computing integration are key trends. Key benefits of the cloud include infinite scalability, cost efficiency by shifting to OpEx, with pay-as-you-go pricing, enhanced security, and global accessibility from anywhere in the world.